Protect your relationships and make a plan so you don't waste your money. I'm John Meadows.
What are you doing about carbon and your global footprint? We have an initiative.
You like it? Maple is very nice wood, but it's hard to, it wants to split. You see here? There's a natural crack here that developed as this thinner, as you make it go thinner and sand it smaller and smaller and smaller. And why do I like doing it, Mackenzie? Because it's just like sculpture. When you're sanding, and you know, I got all these chunks of wood. I got all these leftover pieces. See, here's the side of a spoon. You know, I cut out the shape, and you end up with this one. Look. Look.
Recyclable forests or forests that have been planted to create paper. We plant trees and we have programs.
You see how that came out of that?
Silicon Valley companies are not famous for diversity. So what do you do in that regard?
And then it's like sculpture from there. I like the whole idea is I like the sculpture part of it.
My compensation and the compensation of my direct team is dependent on the progress that we make in the diversity.
And these are just leftover pieces of, and I sanded. This has got Varathane on it.
There's another must-see solar eclipse coming up this spring, and it's going to be so
MC equals TLC.
as